RJ again here with Pallmann. we are we're going to add on talk about our cleaning kit a little bit and kind of how to use it and where to use it. First of all, we know that there's another cleaner out there that's in every box store and everywhere. Um, the cleaner that's in here is less residue than the other one. But even more to the point here, so this kit's available with a mop, the microfiber mop, a dusting mop, a pole, and a 32-ounce ready-to-use spray gun in here. What I like to do as a former contractor, when you're done with your floor, now you can have an opportunity to hand something off to the homeowner as a, as a leave behind gift and also as an education piece. And so this comes with a trifold. And what I like to do is now you're handing off a perfectly finished floor that you just spent the week on or however long working on. Well, now you can hand them this. You can go through this little trifold with them of what their responsibilities are now that you're done. This is now their floor, and this is their responsibilities to take care of it and kind of what they can loosely expect. Obviously, floors are going to be, they're going to vary. Their permanence is going to vary on how they're used. But if with this system, you can give them a very reasonable expectation of what to expect in the future, and then it's not, you did this floor and they drag a chair across it and a week later they're calling you saying you didn't do a good job, the finish didn't perform right. It's just a nice way to kind of turn the responsibility of this beautiful floor that you just gave them over to them, and a nice feel good point of, leaving something behind for them to get them started on the right path of maintaining this investment. So that's the Pallmann floor cleaning kit. It's a wonderful cleaner. And I would strongly suggest just try giving this out on the next couple jobs and see what response you get from your homeowners. So.